Yeah, welcome Sandeep. How are you? So I think we can start today's session. Okay, Namaskaram all. So basically we are into this work session. Okay, so I think we're all clear with the direction of markets and so the last sun trend was started around December 2nd or 3rd, I think. Okay, check. Okay, the last sun trend was happened around December 3rd. So, okay, second and third. So after and the new sun trend has started on yesterday, 16th December. So overall, it's a flat market. We expected the market to go up at least some more 2% or more than 2%. But overall, the market has remaining flat, mainly due to what we can say. Uh, the conjunction with Mars is uh, has become kind of unpredictable. Like we expected it will support, but this there's a kind of plus minus balance was there. So it has not moved as we expected. We expected to move to around 2 or 3%. Okay, and now again this sun trend changes on what we can say. I mean, last yesterday there was a new sun trend, and sun has connected with Kedu. Here also that sun connection with Mars continues. So what we can basically expect is a kind of a downtrend. Downtrend. I mean a bearish sentiments. Okay. So up to a level of 25,500 or 25,400 is possible in this trend, which is before December 31st. So which is approximately some 300 points downside. So that is what we expect in this subtrend. I mean, in this subtrend, we expect the market to or Nifty to go down. The same applies to all the broader indices like Nifty or Bank, etc. So, okay, and based on some price action, we can say it will go up to 25,500 or some levels like that. Up to 25,400 to 25,500 is the level. 450 to 500 is the level that I am expecting in the market. But okay, and we can now itself we can enter keeping around 26,000 as the positional stop loss. You can buy any put and you can hold. Okay, there is a suggestion. Okay, again, it is not a call. It is a kind of a way of dealing with the prediction. Okay. So we can keep that around 25 300, 25 400 as the first target. Usually Kedu connections are very hard to predict. So usually on general terms, we can connect that Ketu gives a kind of bearishness to the market or bearishness to the bearish sentiments to the market. So based on that, we are expecting the market may touch around 25,000, 25,400, something like that. Okay. Now the stocks connected are mostly the stocks connected are Kedu and Mars. We'll see that how that stocks are coming out. First is Gale India. You can see how it moves. Okay. Gale is in kind of downtrend, and the Kedu connection may bring more downtrend to it, I think. So, okay, you can short in futures with somewhere around, or we can buy a put or call, buy a put uh, with a stop loss around 175, and we can take a ride. Gujarat Gas. Gujarat Gas also it has come down, and okay, so far it is a downtrend. Gujarat Gas, I think it may go up, but we have to wait for how this day closes and tomorrow. And you can buy above the levels of around somewhere around 393, the stop loss of 386, and we can plan the target something like 410 or 405 or 4 415, 416 like that. This target you can keep, but if it doesn't sustain, it may go down also. HPC International ONGC, we'll check ONGC once. Oh, okay, ONGC. ONGC is also making a good recovery. I think some good recovery is possible in ONGC. Let's see. Strong. So right now we can buy Gujarat Gas. We can check for ONGC. ONGC, the day has to close strong, and above the day high you can enter the day closes, because it's a kind of good bullish setup forming in oil and natural gas. If it sustains, you can enter above the high. Okay, fluid LNG. Satisfied. Okay. So ONGC, Gujarat Gas, these two are in good buy position. You can consider buying them based on your stop loss image. Okay. And also I have discussed how you have to consider the stop loss for these conditions. And we'll see that Mars related stocks. Let's check some other stocks. Okay. Okay, auto stocks are weak. Mahindra is somewhat it is in not in a better place, and possibly okay, but it is a very trending stock. So let us stay up. We not short Mahindra and Mahindra. Let us look at other stocks or chemicals. Maybe you can short Bell futures. You can short. It looks safer to short. Yes, maybe below previous day low we can enter with some target around 260, somewhere something around 268 or 269, 270 you can take the target. And 282 we can make as a stop loss and we can enter. It looks good to short. DLF, let's just check DLF. The DLF also you can short. It is in a good downtrend, and overall the market also will go down. So these stocks are expected to go down. TVS Motors. For buying, we have given two stocks like ONGC and Gujarat Gas, and selling we have given DLF and DLF, okay, DLF and BHCL. Okay, these two stocks we can sell with rich properties. Let us look at the rich properties also. Okay, so this is basically how we two stocks you can buy and two stocks on future you can sell. Okay, and we have discussed index and the possible area for the index also we have discussed. Now let us move on to that moon trend for the coming week, and mostly what is the date? Today is 17th December. Okay, so as you see today, tomorrow, today is a downtrend as per our prediction, and the market is going down only. Tomorrow also it is a downtrend mostly, or okay, down flat also possible, downtrend is also possible, and day after tomorrow also we are expecting a kind of downtrend. And coming Monday is also downtrend, and only on coming Tuesday, mean 23rd December, Moni Musa is there. So for that, there may be some kind of up movement possible. And on 24th December also, some moon trend is there. Some Mars is in good position. So overall, it is downtrend. Overall, it is a downtrend. And moon trend also supports a downtrend. So so positively, affirmatively, it's a downtrend only. Okay. So we have discussed mood trend. Uh, in sun trend also and today's trend also. Okay, just for an idea, I will show you guys. Okay, you see the moon trend, and mostly we are in the downtrend from 15th December onwards, and you can see how the market has moved from 15th December onwards. This is 15th December. So 15th December we have put downtrend, but mostly the downtrend is covered with that gap down and market rate gaps. And after that, market is making only downtrend moves only. Okay, so every time pulls to that EMA and it is getting rejected, it is going down. So immediate target, as I said, 25,700 is the immediate target. There it is, 25,700. 25,700, you can take us to next target. And after that, in day 6, 25,470 is the next target. Okay. The final target is 25,338. These are the three possible targets if you trade in the long term. I mean, okay. And if at all if there is any recovery from these levels, you can consider buying. But mostly up to 25,700 and if 25,700 breaks 25,400. These are the levels. I trade based on levels or accumulate my stocks based on levels. So you can take that also. Okay. So suppose that if you are trading today on intraday, how to plan your trade is see, and today is a downtrend. You have to wait for the first 15 minutes, and after the first 15 minutes, there is a rejection around the EMA levels, and it is getting rejected. Actually, you can enter in these levels, and you can hold the target based on your immediate some kind of your profit target based on profit target you can exit. And the previous day low was the first target, immediate target that also achieved. Okay, 24,837 was the previous day low. Is the previous day low. You can correspondingly check how it moved in futures also. On this point, we can enter, and we can make this as a target. Okay, you can see the market is hovering around this point only. So this is how we can plan our trade based on that intraday trends. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask. I will clarify it. Then I think we can conclude with the three votes. Oh.